Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another makeup tutorial and hair review. Today I will be reviewing Dsoar hair. Inside of the packaging they did send me some lashes and a beauty blender, which was super cute. I have their Malaysian loose body wave version human hair in 26 inches. Okay. You all, I'm excited about this one. It does come with pre-baby hairs and it is pre-plucked for you as well, so I thought that was like the bomb. So I'm like, this lace looks good. And then you do have 360 lace, so you get lace all around the wig. For installing this unit, I am doing the wig cap method. So I am using my Got To Be Free spray, and I am going to be using my Got To Be glue too as well to install this wig. One thing I would like to say while preparing my wig cap is that this wig does come in a variety of different hair type. If you don't want Malaysian like I have, this does come in Brazilian, Peruvian, and Indian hair type. So I really like that a lot. With this unit you do get some options. And the hair length goes from the shortest is 6 and all the way to a 26. So 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I did decide to tweeze this parting because it wasn't open enough. I would say this inside of the lace is slightly pre-plucked, but not like it is in the hairline in the front. So in between, of course, you would have to do a little bit of plucking just to open it up a little bit more. And I did use a little bit of my powder too as well, so that it can look more like my scalp. So right now I'm just spraying some water on the hair to see how it takes just water, and then of course I am going to be using my coconut curls, some curling product on the hair to see if it can take well. The hair looks amazing when it's wet, so it does get, when it wets up it does work well, it doesn't act up or anything like that. And for product, it did take the product well. It didn't like make it like weirdly matte and a weird feeling towards the hair. It took it really well. So if you do use a curling product, it's going to go well with this type of hair. So you will see me using my my quenching curls, coconut curls in the video and all of that good stuff. Right now I'm just going to just make the curls more intense, intensifying the curls and all that good stuff. You guys can watch while I go through the whole process. I want to say this hair is super lightweight. Like, for this hair to be long, sometimes hair can be heavy when it's like long, but this hair is super lightweight. Like, I can barely feel it on my head, and it's not heavy at all. It is full, but it's not heavy. And as you can see, this side, it doesn't have any product on it. It's just the natural wave, which is cute, and with product you can see both sides, the difference. While brushing this unit, I didn't get any tangles or anything like that, but I did get some hair fallout, and this is how much that came out of the hair. I don't know why, I don't know, but of course I have to show you guys and let y'all know the tea on that. And this is what it looks like in the back. This hair is so soft, y'all. Like, y'all see these waves? I'm really obsessed with this hair. Like, this has been my go-to hair. So now it's time for this makeup, this DEETS, okay? So let's get started. I am going to be using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I have this in the shade Chocolate. So, and for concealer, I am using my LA Pro Conceal and the shades Warm Honey and Natural. I mix those both. For concealer to conceal my eyelids, I am using the same concealer that I used on my brows, which was the LA Pro concealers in the shade Warm Honey and Natural. I just mixed those both, and I just blended it all over my lid so to set it for my eyeshadow. And I am using the Rimmel London Stay Matte setting powder to set everything in place. For my transition shade, I am using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I took the shade Contour from this palette as my transition, and I just worked with this natural brown shade all over my top crease. For my second eyeshadow, I did take my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and from this palette I took the shade Indigo. Indigo is a matte blue shade, and I just took this right in my crease, and I just took my time and kept deepening and deepening this color. So from the same palette, I did take the shade Muse. This is a black matte eyeshadow. I decided to use black because I wanted this crease to be more deeper and darker, and for me to do that, I just decided to use black. And right here what I was saying was, don't worry about the fallout. It can get a little bit messy. I am going to fix that, so no worries. That's what happens when you're using a lot of eyeshadows. And you see me using some concealer because I am slightly kind of doing